Baker to baker, I know that your client is warming up somewhere to give you this Labu cake to make. Labu themed cake, this toy. Now this toy, I heard that this toy, some persons are buying this toy over 200 and something thousand, like 250, 260,000. And I'm like, why? What is in the toy that people are buying at that amount? Now somebody has crafted this cake at for this particular toy. And if this person tell you now that okay, this cake you buy it 260,000, will you agree to buy? You will not agree to buy. You will not agree to buy you. But now somebody is selling the toy for 260, 250, and many people are rushing to buy. But if it is cake now, they will be asking you, this common cake is not flour and sugar. Forgetting the time and energy somebody has put together to put up this cake. But they will not remember that cake will at least will eat cake, but toy, are you going to eat toy? At a point in time you will not even value the toy again. But look at you need to value the cake. So this is how you need to do the cake. You have to watch this video in case your client wants to threaten you or wants to give you a labu toy cake order. So you can use this video and help yourself on how to achieve it. It's very easy and simple. So that you know, and you charge 260